The McLaren is in Abuja. The CLA is also in Abuja. But right now, we're about to fill this up. So I see we've got the Lambo Urus. This is Lambo Urus 2022 or 2021 model. And then I've got my Hilux too. I also got a Lexus, a new Lexus for like a daily run. So what I'm trying to like kind of do because of the nature of roads in Lagos.
Where you are now?
Oh wow! Thank you, I appreciate it. So guys, that's the truck. Yeah, they're bringing it to the house. We've got another one again, that's GLE 53. And then this is the Cybertruck. This one is going directly to Abuja. Nice stuff, finally. Thank you so much, Bello. I appreciate it. Thank you. So this is the guy that brought everything down to Nigeria. I appreciate it. That was Bills and Meals. I'm going to be giving them a shout out. So they made this possible. I appreciate it. So you can drive it in. So they are dropping this one now. So that's it. Let's check the Cybertruck out. Let's go check the Cybertruck out. Jeep to your healer, stick to your motor. You don't want to drive that one again, Abby. You don't know. Okay. This is the key. Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Bills and Meals, this guy that helped me to ship, clearing and everything. Thank you so much. Guys, this is an amazing feel. Yeah, first time in my Tesla Cybertruck. Good. Yeah, it feels so comfy, guys. Lovely. This car smells so nice, it feels so nice. It's brand new, so it smells brand new. And then you can play music at the back, like with all Tesla. Connect it to Wi-Fi, YouTube. You stream YouTube, everything, internet. Yeah, we're definitely going to do a spin. I want the GLE to be here before we can take it around for a spin. So that's what I'm waiting. So the GLE is also here. This is a GLE 53 with a nice sound. Good for the Abuja road.
I'm just gonna go in the straight. Oh shit. Hello guys. I feel like anytime I see this car, I just wanna What do you guys think about my wide body kit Lamborghini Urus? Now, first of all, I gotta give my boy Tyler the shout out because he made this possible. You guys know my Lamborghini used to be red color, but recently I got it changed to I got it changed to orange because the new Apple is orange. So I mean, it's all fun.
Not just Habby Forex, not just Benson, not just Dapo, there are plenty. There are many of them. They are flashing their costly cars, showing what they use their money, forex money to spend, what they spend the money on. See, let me tell you. And all this thing they post, not be for YouTube. So now for YouTube they post them. Okay, why they carry this thing come YouTube? And if you check their views, if you check their subscribers, if you check things, you will not see. If you understand content creation, you will not see these people don't make so much money from content creation. And you'll be like, oh, this is by buying car, this is by doing this, bro. If these people should be sincere to you, they will tell you that their main focus on this business aspect will make them place this thing one after the other. They will place their physical business as first. They can't place content creation as second, and they can't place forex trading as last. I'm not gonna lie to you. Forex trading is always their last choice. Like, because this thing is just something that if you maybe you have enough and to spend, and you are like, let me grow these funds, let me just play with this money and grow it. If it works out for you, glory to God. If it fails, then you leave. That's how it is. But they'll be coming to you as if, and they'll be posting on YouTube as if this thing is very, very straightforward. The way you see it, let me tell you, no matter how good you are in first, then you always blow your account. Apart from blow your account, you always have these bad days. These bad days will come where they say you yourself will regret if you say, no, I'm not joining this forest today. I tell you. So in fact, I can advise you say, if you never get that particular money flow where you see that income where they flow every day, or you don't get that money where they say you go enter your hand, you go get joy. Don't carry yourself go for forest. Those of people they carry mind where they say, I won't go get rich. I want to be rich. Let me just get myself involved in forest trading. You will fail. Don't get yourself involved in trading so that you will get rich, because you will not. You have to be stable. Like, even if you are still an average financially, but at least you get this kind of financial stability you need to get before you start trading. There is this financial stability you need to achieve, you need to ascertain before you start trading. Don't follow what you are seeing on YouTube, don't follow what you are seeing on these people posting on social media. I will not tell you more than this. Don't get yourself involved if you are not up to that level that even if you lose this particular amount of money, you will still feel joy. You see these people, you see Habbyforex, Benson, if or more, their YouTube dashboard, they go just open and they go see money they base for their dashboard. They know say this money just, if this one just go, this one wey dey for forex account just go, they no get problem. Money still dey base for dashboard. So how you dey expect this kind of person dey feel, go dey feel fear? He won't be trading with emotions. Nothing like emotions for them. Because if, okay, for instance, you like this, you dey run content, or you get in your online business where you dey run like this, then you go check the dashboard. Something like 100k dollars the base for you, and you don't fall like 10k dollars for your forex account. What will make you afraid to raise that money? Nothing. So even if you lose that money, you will not feel that like you're gonna fund the next day and start and keep trading. You understand? So don't get yourself involved in forex trading if you are not financially stable. Don't go there to get rich, because you will not get rich. Many of them will tell say this is why they try discourage you. See, this time no motivation for anybody again for this forex thing. No be I'm not talking because me I don't face a lot too, because you know fit talk say you get things and things where I go face for forex. Now why I come talk this thing? It's not because I failed in it or not. No, it's for your own good. It's from experience I'm talking. This mean they get place where we say what's the base for them. So most of out of 100%, 70% of their finances is from content creation. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. Then they will take from there and fund their forex account, and they'll be showing you the profit, and you'll be impressed, and you'll also go and carry your last $100 and your last $500 and fund, and you'll be like, oh, this thing is scam. Even if you learn and you were graduate, maybe you don't learn and you don't graduate, you don't do well for this stuff. Please, if you're not financially stable, if you don't have that funds where you want to throw away, don't join. If you don't have that money where you say you want to throw away, you see this particular money, I want to throw away this one. I don't want this one to be trading. Don't join. Just look for something else and do, and make sure you are like you have that particular flow of income. That even if you blow an account today, in the next 3 days you will make it back, or in the next 2 days, or in the next 1 day you will make that amount of money back. So don't join forex today if you are not stable financially, no matter where you are watching this video from, maybe from United States or wherever you're watching this from, Nigeria. Just try and take heed to this advice, because it's for your own good. Okay, just check their YouTube channel and check their Facebook. I know how much these platforms are paying. Just go to Social Blade, check them, you will see. That's why you will know that these people are making money from content, and they'll be flashing. They will make money from content, fund their account, and still be trading. There's no emotions. For you that is struggling, suffering, and you are not making a good time, you just fund that money and you'll be like, more, might try. If I grow this account, glory to God. If I don't grow the account, anything that happen, let it happen. And you just end up blowing the account. Your mind on day. From there, you could say good na scam, because now good they make people just say forex na scam. SAU, USD, that particular currency pay. Sorry, that particular metals, that particular pay, gold. And the print problem. So I don't tell you my own finish. If you like, listen to this advice. If you don't listen to it, you're going to learn, and you will learn in that way.